welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified for all my future videos. Vamos a empezar. Alright y'all, so I'm so excited because I got my first PR package from my favorite dip by far, Double Dip. Alright, so they gave me this cute little package and I got my first code, so use my code in the Double Dip store and get your amazing dip goodies for some shmoney off. Alright, so this package in particular comes with just a basic starter kit, your top, your base, activator, brush cleaner, and then it comes with these pretty purples, Little by Little, Marabella, and the next one is Starry Night. Double Dip is made in the US and their products are by far amazing. I love how smooth their dips are, so it's pretty cool. They always come with these little sticks, a buffer, the filers, new brushes just in case, and a cute little brush to dust everything off. So thank you so much to Double Dip for sending me all that nice goodies. Now today I'm going to be doing a cute blue ombre with Starry Night from the package, and then I already previously had this beautiful Clear Skies, a much lighter blue. It's so pretty, so I was like, you know what, let me do something cute with this. And y'all already know dip is super simple. You just put the base, you dip your finger, you clean your cuticles with the toothpick or the little sticks that they gave you, and then you brush everything, the excess off. So it's pretty simple. You do 2 to 3 coats depending on your thickness or the thickness that you want. Now I already did my builder gel nails, so because I was looking at other YouTubers, but most specifically the dip community, and they have the builder gel under their dip nails. So I was like, you know what, instead of using tips, let me try this builder gel thing, and I love it. Oh my gosh, I already recorded my builder gel video. I'm not sure if y'all want to see it. Let me know in the comments down below. Pero ya tú sabe, your girl had to do her research before I did all this. So I did this all for y'all. So it was really fun to do, and it was so easy. This look only took me 20 minutes. So I hope y'all enjoy. So for my middle and ring finger, I wanted to kind of do an ombre. So I basically grabbed one of my old unused makeup brushes, and I dabbed my brush in there and kind of just tap the excess away, and that just gave me a little more control in regards to where I wanted my ombre. Mind you, this is not polygel, this is not acrylic. I mean, you can use this as acrylic. I'm definitely gonna do that in another video, but dip, you have to be smart with your techniques. So I was just let me see how it looks on this method. So I think it came out pretty cute. But after this, of course, you gotta put that activator on and let those nails get rock solid, and then you start filing away. I did clean my nails after I filed because I just didn't want any dust or anything like that. So now I went in with my top coat and I put them in all of my nails. Now this top coat is not like something you can put under the UV light, so you have to wait a bit until it dries. And then if you touch it, girl, you have to go back and like put another coat, and it's just don't touch it. Just let it dry. Now the great thing about this top coat, it's like literally glue. It's literally glue. So when you put the top coat and you put gems, it sticks like glue. I promise you. So I just went in with some cute gem work, and I did some little caviar beads, so I think it came out so cute. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below. After I finished my nails and let them dry, I put some cuticle oil on, and this is also from Double Dip, so it smells so good. I love the way this smells, but I love the way it came out. Let me know your thoughts below. Of course, if you're going to shop at Double Dip store, don't forget to use my code. I'll link everything that I've used down below. And if you want to become a part of the DIY Familia, just hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified for future videos. And to everyone else that is watching, much love to y'all. Y por supuesto, nos vemos en la próxima.